Hey, what's going on everybody? Josh here with Scrapyard Films, and I got a quick little video for you. It is announcing the winner of my third giveaway. Now, just briefly, if you don't know who I am, my name is Josh, and I make tutorial videos and Let's Play videos. The tutorial videos consist of a bunch of different types of videos like video editing tutorials, streaming setups, video game servers, a bunch of different things like that, and I try to make the funniest gameplay videos I can. So if you haven't already, be sure to check out my video, and if you like what you see, maybe throw a subscribe. Now, for the winner, drum roll please, and it is David McCormick. David successfully followed all of the rules. He liked, subscribed, commented, and on a bunch of different things, and it gave him a bunch of different entries, and he ended up winning the copy of Vegas 15 with a bunch of add-ons. So everybody congratulate David, and I want to thank you all for participating in this giveaway. I'll be doing another one in the month of January. It's going to be another short one, and then I'm going to try to do a full-length month one in February. So the holidays really threw it off a little bit, but that's okay. I hope everybody had great holidays if you celebrated those types of holidays. If not, I just hope you had a great few weekends. Expect a regular amount of content on the Tuesdays and Fridays, plus more, and I will see you guys in the next video.